BrandSocial AI is one of the latest AI software releases, and if you're considering integrating it into your digital marketing efforts, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly what makes BrandSocial AI stand out and how it can help you boost your marketing strategy. Let's dive right in. First off, BrandSocial AI promises to revolutionize your approach to social media marketing by automating content creation and optimization. It's packed with features that promise to save you tons of time and effort while enhancing your brand's visibility. And the best part? You can try this software completely free using the link in the description below, so you can test it out risk-free for yourself. Now, the first feature to note is the AI-powered content creation tool. Whether you're working with written posts, captions, or even short-form videos, BrandSocial AI can generate ideas, refine your message, and ensure your content resonates with your audience. It's a time saver, especially for businesses that are scaling and need to pump out content consistently without losing quality. Next up is social media optimization. This software doesn't just create content, it helps tailor that content for maximum engagement. BrandSocial AI analyzes trends, audience behavior, and even competitor activity to help you craft posts that will get noticed. By understanding what your audience wants to see, you can ensure that your posts are always on point. Another major selling point is its advanced analytics. BrandSocial AI doesn't just give you a general overview of your social media performance, it provides in-depth insights that break down what's working, what's not, and how to improve. Whether you're tracking engagement metrics or ROI, you'll have all the data you need to make informed decisions for your business. Moving on, if you're running ads, BrandSocial AI can automate your ad copywriting and targeting. Instead of manually tweaking campaigns and struggling with ad copy, this tool does the heavy lifting for you. You'll get optimized ads based on your audience's behavior and preferences, improving your ad spend efficiency and driving better results. Another powerful aspect is integrations with other platforms. Whether you're using Shopify, HubSpot, or even Facebook ads, BrandSocial AI can seamlessly sync with your existing tools. This makes it a valuable addition to your existing tech stack without disrupting your workflow. It ensures that your social media efforts are streamlined and integrated across multiple channels. One feature that's often overlooked is AI-driven sentiment analysis. Understanding how your audience feels about your brand or specific posts is critical, and BrandSocial AI gives you a breakdown of sentiment across your posts. This enables you to adjust your tone and messaging to better connect with your followers. Lastly, BrandSocial AI offers time-saving automation. Instead of manually scheduling posts, tracking performance, or analyzing engagement, the platform automates these processes for you. It frees up your time to focus on strategy and creative aspects of your marketing. Now, BrandSocial AI is a powerful tool, but like any software, it's not perfect. The user interface could be a little more intuitive, and while it's great for businesses looking to scale quickly, it may not be as customizable as some other tools on the market. That being said, it offers tremendous value for businesses looking to simplify and automate their social media marketing. To wrap things up, BrandSocial AI offers a suite of features that are perfect for businesses looking to elevate their social media game without breaking the bank or spending countless hours on content creation and optimization. From automating your content creation to enhancing your social media performance with AI-driven insights, BrandSocial AI is a tool you should definitely consider. If you're curious, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the best ones I recommend.